Hello viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guess what? Today I'm gonna cook some delicious Escovitch Fish Jamaican style. Now please, when you watch my videos, leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Now let's go straight into the video. In preparation for my Escovitch fish, very important that you clean your fish. So in my case here, these fish has been cleaned properly. I've washed them with lemon and vinegar as well, so they're well they are cleaned and everything. So at this stage I'm just gonna add some dry seasoning to the fish. I'm not gonna fry the fish until tomorrow, so I'm just prepping it now for tomorrow. So at this stage, this is some dry seasoning. Now this seasoning is some dry jerk seasoning. I have some black pepper inside, some salt and some powdered ginger. So I'm just gonna add this all over the fish. I have some wet jerk seasoning as well, which I will add to it. I have some garlic. This is the wet jerk seasoning. I have some garlic here. This I will just chop them up finely and add them to the fish. This is the garlic which I've chopped up very finely. I'm just gonna add it to the fish like that. Now all I'm gonna do here is to rub everything into the fish. I'm gonna put all the fish now in this little glass bowl here. I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in the fridge in preparation, let it just stay there for tomorrow. There's a fish here, all seasoned, and I'm gonna wrap this up now with some cling film, put it in the fridge, and then tomorrow when I'm gonna fry it, I'll take it back out and do what I have to do. At that stage, I'll make my escovitch sauce and do all the other bits and bobs. I'm gonna fry my fish. Here is the fish that I've seasoned up from yesterday. Let me just test if this oil is now heated. I think it needs a bit more heat, but the oil is heating up. Later on, I'm gonna prepare my escovitch sauce. I'll show you everything as well. As you can see, I've now started to fry the fish. Smells really nice. While my fish is frying, I'm going to start preparing for the escovitch sauce. Now these are my ingredients. I have a couple carrots, I have a green a green, a red, and yellow bell peppers. I have 3 medium onions, and I hope I'm not putting too much. Maybe I probably just use 2. I have some scotch bonnet pepper here. These are very hot. Now, very important, I've already washed these peppers. I've washed everything. Very important that you wash your vegetables. I also have some brown sugar, some salt, some black pepper, and some vinegar as well. What I'm gonna do now is just to cut up the vegetables and put them aside. And then once the fish is finished fried, I'll show you how to make the escovitch sauce. So this is my last fish. My last fish is now about to completely fry. Just gonna give it a few more seconds and this is done. These are the fried fishes. So I've just had them in this flat glass plate. I put it in some grease paper and just allow it to drain. What I'm gonna do next is to prepare the escovitch sauce. I'm gonna go ahead now and start to make my escovitch sauce. So first, I'm gonna add some vinegar in the pot of vinegar. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this as well. Add some water. And sugar. This is about 2 spoonfuls of sugar. And I'm using brown sugar because I really don't use white sugar. I'm always using brown sugar. I'm adding some black pepper as well. One of the things when I'm cooking, I never really measure anything. I just use my judgment. Some salt there. I'm just gonna give this a bit of stir. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna remove this and then I'm gonna put the vegetables in a pan with some oil and saute it, and then I'll put everything together. That's a really lovely taste. That's a really lovely smell. I'm happy with this at present, so I'm going to remove this now and put it aside, let it cool. my pan with some oil. What I've done is to reuse some of the oil that I used to fry the fish. Just a few spoonful in the pot so that I can saute my vegetables. So I'm just going to add all the vegetables to this now. And I'm going to saute this for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Mix everything nicely together. It's all done now. What I'm gonna do is just to add all of this on this now, and just allow it to cool. Once it's cooled down, not completely cool, but I'll just give it a few minutes. Wow, this smells really nice. Then I'll add it to the fish. Add some of the Escovitch sauce and vegetables at the bottom of this bowl, which I'm going to place the fish in. Just going to spread it evenly right across. And then I'm going to start to add the fish right on top. This really looks really nice and it smells even better. Wow. Eating, one of the best things, you know, when you do a meal, it comes together as you want it and it's time to eat. This really looks delicious. Let me taste, you know, a piece of the fish. Wow. Wow. You can taste, you know, all those flavors. Really delicious. Please remember, when you watch my video, leave a comment to introduce yourself, share the video as well, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.